Hey, this is Josh with Dirtbag Brands. We caught up with Mark Quintero from System 3. Mark, how you doing?
What's happening, Josh?
It's been a while.
It's been a while.
Man, how long have we known each other now?
Oh man, it's about like 13 years, man, since back in the day.
Probably before we started getting gray, right?
Yeah, that's a fact. Yeah, we've been in the power sports industry for a while.
Just a bit, just a bit. Well, tell us what you're doing out here in Colorado, Grand Junction, Colorado. Just to
Yeah,
be
finally
specific.
in your backyard. I'm the senior brand manager for System 3. I look after the West Coast. I travel with the WPS reps to dealerships all across the country. Like I said, primarily on the West Coast. So that's what finds me here in Grand Junction, here at All Terrain Motorsports. Yeah, just checking things out, seeing all their stock of System 3 wheels in stock. It's a good thing to see a dealer stocking as much as they are.
That's fantastic. Did you fly into Grand Junction or did you
I
come in?
I flew into Denver and we drove over the Rockies during the fall bloom, and it was a rad drive. It was pretty awesome.
You guys get something similar like that over in SoCal?
I live in the mountains. I live at 6,100 feet, so we do have some good fall change and colors like that. But down in the Southern California area where I was born and raised in Orange County, no, we don't. So this was a treat to come through the Rockies and see all the cool fall colors.
And we were just there back in Orange County for a
Yeah.
Sand Sports show.
Yeah, saw you last week or 2 weeks ago. Time's flying, but yeah, with the Sand Sports Super Show, it was a great show. It's one of the biggest shows we've had in quite a few years. The Sand Sports Super Show said the attendance records were up. People were buying. The energy was great. We had a good turnout in our booth. We had good sales in our booth with the dealer that we had in our booth selling tires and wheels there. A lot of energy, a lot of new vehicles coming in market. We had some new tires that we were debuting at that show. So it was a real good time.
Yeah, I believe they said attendance was 22% up overall for the
Yeah.
show, which we were both there
Yeah.
last year.
Yeah. That's why I didn't come see you on Saturday, because I was so busy on Saturday. There was a line of people waiting to talk to us.
I can relate. I
Yeah.
can definitely relate. Well, I'm glad we were able to catch up here in Colorado.
Yeah, absolutely.
What was new that you guys rolled out at the Sand Show?
At the Sand Show, we rolled out the new RR600 and the RX600, as well as the SS365. So the SS365 is a brand new sand tire, paddle tire that we rolled out this year. So that was a great thing to roll out at the Sand Sports Super Show, because that's directly for that market. And then we have for the all-terrain market and for the race market, we have the RR600, which is our race version, and the RX600 tire is the enthusiast version of that tire. So those are two new exciting adds to the all-terrain, and then a new addition to our sand lineup.
Now, I know System 3 has really been ahead of the curve when it's come to sand tires quite a bit, as we both know the pedigree and history behind it.
Yeah, absolutely.
What makes the new tire great, and what's to get excited about?
We really listen to the enthusiasts and to the market out there, to our customers. We get feedback. We go out and ride with them out in the dunes, and we do a lot of testing ourselves. I mean, obviously, we eat, sleep, and breathe what we do. We're out in dunes. We're out in the trails. I personally eat, sleep, and breathe this lifestyle. So when we're out there learning about what the customers are asking for, we come back and we put it into production on a tire. So with the new SS365, we have all new center rib on the front tire that allows for better precision and handling. And on the rear tire, it is a flatter profile, but it's wider. It's a 13-inch wide versus a predecessor, which was 12-inch wide. And there's a little bit more tread void and tread height in the rear. So you get more scoop, more pull, and more bite, but also more flotation in the rear. So it's a really fun duning tire, and it's giving you more precision and handling in the front. UTVs of today, the higher horsepower models, want more bite and they want more flotation, and that's what we brought to the market.
And what sizes did you bring those to the market in?
We got 33s, 35s, and 32s. And then for the smaller sizes, we have the SS360. So you can, if you still have a naturally aspirated car or the smaller turbo cars, you can go with the SS360.
It's fantastic.
Yeah.
And in the all-terrain for the new ones, what sizes did you bring to the table for those?
Oh man, we have 28s, 30s, 32s, 33s, 35s, 37s even. So we got all the sizes covered. It's pretty crazy on the RX600 line, what we're covering. We really want to make sure it's available for all the different sizes of UTVs that are out there. And in the RR version, it's a 35 and a 37.
Okay. Are you seeing a lot more 37s growing in popularity?
It's slowly getting there. We're slowly seeing it. People want bigger, better. That's what we're delivering. We know that from the mud market and what people are doing there. I mean, we have a 44-inch tire for the mud guys in the South, so we're not afraid to go big.
I know a lot of people that see this. We have a lot of West Coast viewers that goes from that, and as well as the Southern viewers. And it's just amazing to see just the differentiations in all the markets, from West Coast to Pacific Northwest to the South, even to the Midwest and the East Coast.
Yeah.
Do you have a favorite area for yourself? I know you're a Cali boy, but
Yeah, I am a Cali guy. Southern California racing is my kind of background and what I like to do, and find myself in Baja. I've been racing with the Monster Energy Factory Can-Am race team with Matt Burroughs for 10 years down there in Baja, doing testing and tires and all that whole stuff. So that's a lot of fun. But the South is definitely different. The mud market is fun. I love going to mud nationals and seeing the tires and the rigs out there. The saying goes out there, the higher the tires, the closer to Jesus. So
I do remember that.
yeah, it's a good time to see them out there and see what they do. I love it that we're all united in off-road and side-by-sides and what we do, but they all speak different kind of dialects, if you will, for the different regions and such. So I love rock crawling, I love mudding, I love racing, I love trail riding, you name it, it's what we do.
Now, I know when we first met, you were a big two-wheel guy. How has that changed over the years with age and everything? They say with age comes a cage.
They do say that, but I still ride a dirt bike.
Right.
That was my history of riding and racing dirt bikes, and I was a two-wheel guy for many, many, many years. But obviously, as the evolution of the side-by-side came into play back in our early years working together, in the 2012 when the Robbie Gordon Edition 900s came out, and we started selling tires for that, I was like, hey, I can make more money selling 4 versus 2.
That's true.
So I kind of like went where the money was, obviously.
It is. Well, one of the things I learned is I just don't bounce as well as I used to now compared to 13 years ago.
True, very true. I'm still riding mountain bikes, still snowboarding, still riding dirt bikes, but I do it at a level that I know I'm on that edge, but not going too far over the edge.
So I know you do the mountain bike. So quick question: are you going to be doing any mountain biking while you're in Colorado at all?
I wish. I don't have the time this go around. Maybe next go around. I'm looking forward to it. This is my first time to the western slope. I've spent previous time on the eastern slope out there in Denver. Next time I come up, I'm going to spend some more time and maybe come up with you and ride some mountain bikes.
Hey, you've got an open invite with me all the time, Mark.
Appreciate it.
I really appreciate you making some time for us while you're here.
Absolutely.
Be good, and we'll talk soon.
Good seeing you, buddy.
All right.